I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select trigger, which is Breakdance. To successfully integrate with Breakdance, select Bit Integration Pro from the Forms Actions setting. Now navigate Breakdance Page Builder, where use the form. Now select the form, click Action from the left sidebar, then select the Bit Integrations Pro from drop-down. Click the Save button to save the setting. Now navigate Integration Page. Select a form. Click Next. Now search and select Action SureTriggers. Give here the webhook link. So go to the SureTriggers dashboard. Create workflow. Give here a meaningful name. Start building. Add trigger. Search and select webhook. Copy the webhook URL and paste it into the integration site. Body. Send all data. Applications/JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. On the SureTrigger site, you can show the webhook executed responded. Save. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to SureTriggers site and click on the plus icon. Choose your desired action. I am choosing Airtable. Create record. Choose connection. Select base. Select table. Map the respective fields. Test action. Action tested successfully. Save. Publish. Workflow is active now. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Go to the Airtable site. And you can see here the data came successfully in the Airtable via SureTriggers. Thanks for watching.